What is USDA Organic or any other organic certification? Do you need it? I am here to answer your questions and give you a path to successful organic certification in this exploding market of organic food and personal care products. My name is Vicki Natali, and I am an engineer, founder and CEO of ORG&NICS. And although I am not an employee of USDA, I do have USDA Organic certification on my skincare line called Organic Body Essentials. I have been through this audit process for the past 20 years for ISO, FDA, and USDA. This is the first of many of these videos about USDA Organic certification, what it is, and how to do it. So let's start out with what USDA Organic is and why you may need it. USDA Organic is a term that is used on a product label stating that the product that you are manufacturing or producing has adhered to approved methods. The United States Department of Agriculture, USDA, issues standards that describe specific requirements. The product that you produce, as well as the facility that you produce it in, must be certified by USDA as adhering to these requirements before you are able to use the USDA Organic label. Certifying agents that are USDA accredited are required to review your manufacturing and producing methods to determine if you meet the criteria before you can become certified. The agent you choose is up to you. Generally, organic operations must demonstrate that they are protecting natural resources, conserving biodiversity, and using only approved substances. In order for your products to be considered for the organic certification, there are some basics. The ingredients that you use to create your products must be USDA certified organic. Other non-agricultural ingredients or non-organic included on the National Organic Program NOP list of approved substances are also allowed for use. A good rule of thumb is to choose only USDA Organic certified ingredients to begin with. Other non-agricultural ingredients that do not have the USDA Organic seal on them can be used in your products as well, but must be on the list of approved substances. There is a link to the NOP list of approved substances below this video in the description. There is also a link to a free course that I offer on product formulation in the description. If your operation receives more than $5,000 in gross organic annual sales, you must be certified. You may still produce organic products and sell them as organic if your gross organic annual sales are below $5,000, but you may not use the USDA Organic seal on them. However, you are still required to keep your organic process records for inspection by USDA should they request them. Online organic operations must be certified regardless of the value of sales. Please visit NOP's website for more information on the fines imposed for any organization not adhering to the laws. The regulations are in place and enforced for the consumer's safety. The fact that you are certified gives integrity to your products and confidence to the consumer. With the ever-growing number of organic products that are being introduced to the marketplace, customers will be drawn to the brands that can offer them an extra level of assurance that that brand is regulated by an unbiased third party. What does the certification process look like? Well, that is what is in the next episode in this video series, so please stay tuned for that one.